So now let's see how we can utilize the kaleidoscope filter inside of GIMP. So in order to use the kaleidoscope filter, first of all, you need to go around onto the filter menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto distorts. And over here, you can see that kaleidoscope is an option. So once you go around and do that, you can see that nothing actually shows up right here. That is because this is like mirrors. So you can go around and change around the mirror and you get like a reflection over here for those particular particular objects. So I can go around and change around the offset right here just like this, and you can see the other elements right here just like this. You can go around and change around the center over here just like this as well, and see that you get the reflection right around over here. You can go around and change around the center Y and see that you get the copy right here. So you can go around over here and then change around, let's say for example, the number of mirrors, and you get like a copy right here. And you can go around and change around the center, as you can see right here, to get the effect that you want. You can go around and trim the part out as well, and you can go around and zoom in and zoom out over here and get the effect that you want right here. You can also go around and change around the result rotation. So you can see that you got the rotation, and you can got the mirror rotation right here, and you can rotate it out to see the different parts right here just like this. So that is what you have. So let me just go around and offset this out, and you can go around and keep it somewhere in the middle right here, and you get this type of an effect. You can zoom out, zoom in right here, and you can expand this out over here just like this as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to go around and really know where to go around right here, so let me just go around onto let's say like one value of expand right here, then you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around and change around the offset, and that is what you have. You can go around and change around the mirror amount over here just like this as well, to more like 13, 14 and so forth, and you get the effect accordingly over here. So you can go around and change around the offset and work around with the trim and so forth to get the effect that you want. Of course, you can go around and then you can clip it to input size over here just like this as well, and then we can warp around the input over here so that it fills up the entire screen as well. So apart from that, you can go around and change around the preview over here, you can see, and then you can see the split view as well to see the before and after as well. So apart from that, you can go around and change around the opacity right here according to how you want as well. So you want to apply it, then simply go around over here and then apply it out. But apart from that, you can go around and then utilize the blending modes over here as well. So let's just go around and say multiply, and then it multiplies it out with the original image. But I'm just going to replace it fully, and I'm going to go around and press OK. And this is the result that you have. And that is how you can utilize the kaleidoscope filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.